FWD client ka, dapat meron ka ng super app na ito. Ito yung Omne by FWD. Better na meron ka nito para mas makita mo, mas mabantayan mo yung plan na kinuha mo sa FWD. Kung wala ka pa nito, tuturuan kita kung paano ka magkakaroon nitong Omne by FWD. Watch this video until the end. First things first, download the app in App Store or Google Play. So you have to create an account first. You can create using your email or your mobile number. Click that you are an FWD policy holder. By creating an account, you're accepting Omne's terms of service. Click next. Click the country, yung mga country na maa-access nyo yung Omne. Make sure you have your customer ID available with you. If you don't have yet, check your email. I-search nyo lang FWD Policy Pack. Magkaiba po yung policy number ha. So what we need here is the customer ID and your birthday. It looks like you already have an account. Sign in na daw ako. Dahil may account na daw ako, so sign in.
Sorry.
And here you go. Yan na po yung itsura pagpasok nyo sa ating Omne app. Marami kayong pwedeng gawin. It's a lifestyle app. There's an exercise, music, games. One of our favorite features ni Omne is that we can check our blood pressure anytime, anywhere, basta may internet. But now, let me teach you how you can check your policy. Go to your lower right. And makikita nyo dyan yung FWD Insurance. Click that one. Yan, you can make a payment, view transactions, update your policies. View policies and investment. Click natin to. Go to set for life. Makikita nyo na dito yung coverage, how much is your sum assured, kailan yung next payment, kailan nag-start yung policy, and kailan siya mag-e-end. And you can also click view payment history. So, naka-auto credit siya sa credit card. And then, the coverage, ayan na nga siya. Details. So, sino yung financial advisor ko. Then, let's click document. Here you can check your policy contract, policy statement, billing statements, official receipts. So yung mga humihingi ng resibo, ayan, nandyan po lahat. Click lang natin, sample. Ayan po ang official receipt. You can opt to request for a hard copy of your policy contract, but if you want to save the earth, if you want to save the earth and you want to go paperless, you can view your policy pack here. And let's just click this one and let's preview the document. Nandito na lahat, yung mga fill outan nyo ng financial advisor nyo during your application, yung mga declaration, if you want to review, if dineclare ba yung mga sakit nyo, ayan, dito nyo siya makikita sa policy contract. Let's go to beneficiaries. Dito nyo marireview sino yung mga beneficiaries nyo. Now, tingnan naman natin yung isa kong plan, yung set for life. Again, the same thing, andyan yung coverage, documents, alam nyo na yan. Someone asked me where to find the fund value here in Omne. Unfortunately, it's not loaded here yet, but you can view it in our customer portal. Abangan nyo yung next video ko kasi gagawin ko naman yung how to access your FWD plan or policy using customer portal. Then, let's go to make a payment. Dito nyo makikita yung mga due dates. Ayan, may due date ako ng March 19, March 28, and March 29. Ayan, kailangan na magbayad.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Here, ang dami yung pwedeng gawin. Personal details change, beneficiaries change, payment frequency change, payment method, tap up, fund allocation, switch funds, partial withdrawal, reinstate the policy, and cancel or surrender your policy. And that's it. That's how you navigate Omne. Halos lahat nandito na. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa, no? Konti na lang yung itatanong mo sa financial advisor mo kasi everything is here in Omne. You can do it on your own kung kaya mo naman, but kung gusto mo pa rin humingi ng tulong sa yung financial advisor, there's no problem with that. Just message your financial advisor if you still need his or her assistance. O ayan, 'di ba? Ganyan lang kadali mag-download at i-navigate ang Omne by FWD. Sobrang dali lang, 'di ba? Kaya kung may mga friends ka na meron ding FWD policy or friends na kukuha pa lang ng FWD policy, i-share mo na yung video na 'to para makapag-download na rin sila ng Omne app ni FWD. Thank you for watching. Follow for more tips. Bye.